We need to remember that when we're thinking about how we transfer assets on death, the people that survive us, well, one, they may not survive us. So we think through real succession planning and we realize that everyone we're naming in our plan is mortal and that they too will die one day. We just don't know what day. We don't know if it's going to be the day before us or the day after us or a month later or when it's going to be. We may not have the capacity if something happens to them or when it happens to them to change our plans. I also have to remind husbands that typically plan on predeceasing their wives and making widows of them that, your widow may not have capacity when you die. Who's going to manage all the assets for her? What if one of the three children have a car accident and they're incapacitated? I mean, you've thought about it all going to the three kids, but one or more of them might survive you, and we hope they do, but they might be incapacitated for the rest of their lives or at least for a time period. One of the major advantages of a trust-based plan is having the ability for anybody to have their assets managed for them when they're incapacitated. You and your spouse is the creator, if you're the individual, for you, but even for your beneficiaries, your trust has the contingency planning necessary to make sure there's someone that you know and trust managing the assets for them.